Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, welcome into your video class. Because due to the pandemic situation, we are not come to the face-to-face in the classes. We cannot meet into the school. So we have arranged the video classes, and now you are promoted according to the government policy. So you are in 6th class. Congratulations, and you are looking on the screen the book of science. So it is clear. I am here to teach you the science in the class 6. This is very interesting book and it is my favorite subject. Also it is yours. I hope. If it is not, then it will be. If it is your favorite subject, then it is very good. So we will start the book of class 6 science. Students, and this book from the inside, this book is consist of 14 units. How many? 14 units. So today we will learn the unit number 1 and the unit number 1 means what is science. What is science? And here is the unit number 1, what is science, and I will give you a basic knowledge and basic definition about the science and introduction about this book. Okay, so let's have a start. So student, what is science? Science is the systemic knowledge gained through observation and experimentation. साइंस वो नॉलेज है जो हम गेन करते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन और एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन के थ्रू. नाउ कम टू दिस पॉइंट, व्हाट इज ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड व्हाट इज experimentation. What is observation and what is experimentation? Observation means there is a vocabulary. You can see what is the definition of the observation. You can see in the vocabulary the things that can be seen, watched during solving a science problem. And what is experimentation? Now I am going to explain the experimentation. Observation क्या होती है dear students? When a scientist perform his experiment and other scientists are observing, means looking how the scientist is performing his experiment or her experiment, and when they are observing, other scientists are observing how the experiment is done by the person that is doing an experiment in the laboratory. That is observation. Now I am giving you example from our practical life. If a person is making a chair, आप चेयर पे बैठे हैं ना, क्लासरूम में चेयर पे बैठते हैं आप लोग. सो जब पर्सन एक चेयर बना रहा है, आई एम गिविंग जस्ट प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल. ओके, व्हेन अ पर्सन मेकिंग अ चेयर, व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग एट हिम हाउ ही इज मेकिंग अ चेयर, इट मीन्स यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग कौन कौन सी वो चीज़ें यूज कर रहा है, उसको किस चीज़ के सामान की, वुड की ज़रूरत है, उसको नट्स की ज़रूरत है. तो ये क्या है? यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग. When you will make the chair, जब आप खुद बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे, that will be experiment, that will be experimentation. यानी कि जब आप देख रहे थे कैसे वो बना रहा है, वो था observation. जब आप खुद अपने हैंड से बनाएंगे, फिर वो हो जाएगा experimentation. समझ आई बात? Have you get my point? Have you got my point? Understood that what is science? Science gain systemic knowledge gained through the experiment and observation. And here is a word data. Data, a collection of observation, measurements and the facts. Data वो चीज़ जो हम कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग ऑब्जर्वेशन या मेजरमेंट्स या फैक्ट्स जो उस साइंटिफिक जो हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं उसके मुताबिक जो हमारी ऑब्जर्वेशन है, जो मेजरमेंट्स हैं या फैक्ट्स हैं, उसकी कलेक्शन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेटा. एंड अपर साइड एंड द सेकेंड नंबर वर्ड इज साइंटिस्ट. What? Scientist. The scientist. What is scientist? A person who expert in science or adopts science as a career. A person who adopts science or expert in science. मतलब वो जो साइंस में एक्सपर्ट होते हैं ना, उनको साइंटिस्ट कहा जाता है. या वो जो अपना कैरियर सिलेक्ट करते हैं एज अ साइंटिस्ट, या जो नॉलेज अपनी एडॉप्ट करते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? साइंटिस्ट बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. So you should select your career, you should choose your career as a scientist. If you will adopt the knowledge, if you will get the knowledge from this lower class, now you are in 6th class, you will get a lot of knowledge in upper classes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will be an expert. So scientist is also good field. So do you want to become a scientist? Yes or no? If you want to become a scientist, then adopt your career, then be an expert in the science. It's a very interesting subject. So these were little bit basic introduction to the what is chemistry, science, scientist, data, observation. I hope you got good knowledge and understood well what is difference between experiment and observation. This was our first lecture and simple lecture. So take it very easy and take also interest in this lecture. So I am not giving you a lot of homework, I am giving you just homework of vocabulary that is given on page number 3 from unit number 1. You will write these vocabulary on your rough register and memorize also. So take care, inshallah we will meet in our next lecture. Stay tuned. Goodbye.